Say goodbye to wrinkles. Plump Peptide skincare magic. Hey beauties, are wrinkles and saggy skin bothering you? I've got the perfect solution for you, Plump Peptide skincare. This magic ingredient works wonders on aging skin, helping to smooth away wrinkles, tighten saggy jowls, and reduce dark spots. Just look at these amazing transformations. Plump Peptide is a game changer for women 40 plus who want to turn back the clock on aging. Here's how easy it is to use. Simply apply a small amount to your skin and massage gently. Use it daily for best results. Don't just take my word for it, listen to what these happy customers have too say about Plump Peptide's incredible effects on their skin. Ready to say hello to smoother, younger looking skin? Try Plump Peptide today and join the anti-aging revolution. Tap the link in my bio to get your hands on Plump Peptide and say goodbye to wrinkles for good.